Hi there. Now, I can be honest with you. Every January, I used to set these huge fitness goals. Join a gym I never used. And by February, I'd be right back to where I started. Sound familiar? But this year, I'm doing something different. And if you're a woman over 50 like me, then dealing with menopause, energy crashes, or just wanting to feel better in your body without the overwhelm, then this is for you. Today I'm sharing my simple 30-day walking challenge that actually works. No equipment, no gym membership, just you, your shoes, and 20 minutes a day. Let's do this together. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. And if you're new here, then this channel is all about helping women over 50 thrive through walking, healthy eating, and navigating that beautiful, messy season of life. Before we jump in, if you want to join this challenge with me, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any updates. I'll be checking in throughout the month to share my progress, and I'd love to hear yours too. Now, why walking? Because honestly, it's the most underrated exercise for women our age. It's gentle on the joints and it helps with menopause symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings, and it boosts your energy. And here's the best part. You can start actually where you are right now. Now, here's how the challenge works. And trust me, it's designed to be doable. Now, week number 1, we walk 10 minutes per day at a comfortable pace, just getting your body moving. Week number 2, you increase by 15 minutes per day. You should be able to talk but feel your heart rate go up. Week number 3, 20 minutes per day. Now this is your sustainable sweet spot. Week number 4, 20 to 30 minutes per day, adding one long walk on the weekend if you want. Now that's it. No pressure, no hit that 10,000 steps, no guilt if you miss a day. The goal is consistency over perfection. Now here are the rules. Walk at your own pace. It isn't a race, okay? Now you can be indoor and outdoor, both count. You can break it up to 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. If you miss a day, just pick up where you left off. No restarting. Track your progress however works for you, by your phone or journaling or a calendar. Now let's talk about what you actually need. And it's less than you think. You need supportive shoes. They don't have to be expensive, just comfortable and good arch support. Comfortable clothing, whatever lets you move freely. Water bottle. Stay hydrated, especially if you're dealing with hot flashes. Jesus, yes. A phone to watch is optimum for timing or listening to music or a podcast. I normally listen to a book when I walk, or I talk to you guys. That's literally it. You probably already have everything, and it's in the description below. I'll link a free printable tracker that you can download to mark off each day. There's something so satisfying about checking those boxes. Yes they are. Now let me tell you what I noticed when I did this challenge last year, and what other women have shared with me. Now I challenged myself last year. Week number 1, the momentum week. You feel proud just showing up. You might notice you're sleeping a bit better. Your moods might lift slightly, and walking is amazing for reducing stress and anxiety. Week number 2 is the energy shifts. This is when you start noticing more energy throughout the day. Those afternoon energy crashes, they might not hit as hard. For me, this is when I started looking forward to my walks instead of dreading them, because I did get that energy shift. Now, week number 3, the habit formation. It starts feeling weird not to walk. Your body craves it. You might notice your clothes fitting different or your posture improving. Many women tell me this is when hot flashes start decreasing, because they did for me with the walking, which I really loved. All right. Now, week number 4, the confidence boost. You've built something sustainable. You feel stronger, both physically and mentally. You've proven to yourself that you commit to something and follow through. That confidence spills into areas of your life. Now, okay, here are my top tips to make this challenge actually stick. Number 1, pick your time and protect it. Decide right now, are you a morning walker, a lunchtime walker, an evening walker? But put it in your calendar like a doctor's appointment. For me, morning walks best before the day gets crazy, but you can do you. Number 2, make it enjoyable. It's not a punishment. Create a playlist you love, download a podcast. You can use this in your quiet thinking time. I personally love listening to audiobooks during my walks. It's my favorite part of the day now. Now, number 3, find your why. What's your real reason for doing this? Better sleep? More energy to play with your grandkids? Managing menopause symptoms? Feeling strong again? Write it down and look at it when motivation dips, because it will happen. Number 4, have a backup plan. Bad weather? Walk indoors at the mall. Too tired? Walk for just 5 minutes. You'll probably end up doing more. The point is to never have an excuse that completely stops you. Number 5, track and celebrate. Use the printable tracker that I mentioned, or just mark X's on your calendar. Every week you complete, do something nice for yourself. A long bath, a favorite tea, time with the good book. Celebrate the small wins. All right, here we are. I need you to do something. Something for me. Yeah. First, drop a comment right now telling me, are you in? Just type I'm in so I know you're committing. And tell me what time of day that you plan to walk, be it morning, noon, or evening. Second, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I'll be posting weekly check-ins throughout January. I want to see your progress, answer questions, and cheer you on. Number 3, download the free tracker in the description below. Print it out, stick it on your refrigerator, start checking off those days. You'll feel good, trust me. And if you want to find a walking buddy, check in the comments. Maybe someone in your city is doing this challenge too. There's nothing like accountability from a friend. Listen, I know January can feel overwhelming with all the pressure to change everything at once. But this is doable. This is sustainable. This is you taking one small step, literally, toward feeling better in your body and your life. You deserve to feel strong and energized, not exhausted and overwhelmed. Walking is the simplest, most accessible way to start. Give this a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you there. I'll see you in next week for the first check-in. Until then, lace up those shoes and let's do this together. You've got this.